Introducing Lume Cube 2.0, the long-awaited version 2 of the product that started it all. Lume Cube 2.0 was built for the on-the-go creator, who needs their lighting to adapt to any environment and withstand all the elements. We designed Lume Cube 2 to be the smallest, most feature-packed, professional quality LED on the market for creators. Inside, the Lume Cube 2.0 features a true 5600 Kelvin color temperature with a 95 plus CRI and an 80-degree beam angle. We've installed a new, custom-designed lens to bring the beam angle to 80 degrees with no hot spots and a smooth fall-off. Lume Cube 2.0 features a 2-button system. One button to increase your brightness and one button to decrease your brightness, and also toggle between light modes. We've also included a low light mode for night and long exposure photographers. Simply hold down on both buttons and your light will drop down to 1 to 10% brightness. Of course, the Lume Cube 2.0 is Bluetooth controlled. Open up your LumeX app to wirelessly control your lighting. Tucked behind the waterproof seal is a USB-C charging cable. This allows you to quickly recharge your Lume Cube 2. We've also included indicator lights on top. Your Lume Cube will flash green when it is fully charged, no more guessing. With a new internal battery, the runtime on full power is now up to an hour and a half. Need more shooting time? Simply keep it plugged in and charging so you never miss your shot. For all you flash photographers out there, we included an optical sensor on top of the Lume Cube 2, which allows it to act as a slave flash to any of your other lighting devices. The built-in quarter 20 thread allows your Lume Cube to mount onto any drone, camera, smartphone, or quarter 20 compatible device on the market. This is where it gets fun. Included in the box comes everything you need to start creating dynamic lighting effects. We've included a CTO warming gel, a softening white diffuser, and a low-profile camera mount, all paired with our magnetic modification frame. Now this is where Lume Cube 2.0 really sets itself apart. It's made with a solid aluminum body, which makes it virtually indestructible and waterproof down to 30 feet. This makes it the go-to light in any environment. Lume Cube 2.0 is available today in a single and a dual pack. If you have any questions at all on the product, please drop them in the comments below and we will get back to you. Get out there, get shooting. We can't wait to see what you create.